Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get one of the best amazing Firestick movie apps that you can easily install to your Fire TV or Android TV device in 2025. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get this amazing app to your device. And first of all, what you have to do is getting the app called Downloader to your Firestick. And you can actually get Downloader free of charge from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to the list of apps on your device. Sorry, not to the list of apps, but to the search bar. Open it and start typing Downloader in the search. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Click on Downloader, and now there's the app that you gotta get to your Firestick. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because we still have to set it up. So now to actually set up Downloader on the Firestick, we'll have to go to Settings. So here they are. We click on that little button with a gear icon, and then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. You open it, and now in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options on your Firestick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. So you open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. Then let's go to the list of apps on your Firestick. Here it is, and there you will find the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Hungary right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we are going back to the list of apps on the Fire TV Stick, open it up, and then finally go to Downloader. So open it on the Fire Stick, and now what you have to do in here is just open this little search bar, and in the search we'll be using this code, which will be 959386. So once again, it's 959386. That's the code you have to enter Then just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot. And now the download of the app has started. It usually does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just wait a bit and click on install to make sure that the app also gets installed to the Fire TV stick. And then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now when you go to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick, we open it up, and then here at the bottom you will find this app which we just installed. So now first of all I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe online. Then feel free to open the app. And here I had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact movies available in the app, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. And in the app you'll find thousands of newest movies and TV shows, even those which are only available in movie theaters. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.